In its least expensive L trim, the Yaris comes as a two-door hatchback, an increasingly rare body style in North America. That is perhaps the Toyota's sole standout feature, as it otherwise bundles average componentry into a simple, honest subcompact package geared toward affordability. The standard manual transmission has but 5 forward speeds, while the optional automatic is an ancient 4-speed unit. Toyota also offers the similarly sized and only slightly more expensive Yaris sedan, which is based on the Mazda 2 that isn't sold in the States. We suggest strolling across the Toyota dealership for that Yaris, as it boasts subcompact class-leading personality and refinement. The base Versa Note S couples its 109 HP 1.6-liter inline-4 with a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT), meaning this hatch is the only cheap subcompact here that does not offer a manual transmission. Too bad, since the CVT extracts plenty of rough and loud droning from the engine but not much acceleration, like its 4-door Versa sedan counterpart, which is different enough to qualify for its own entry on this same list. The Note delivers poor handling, braking, and real-world fuel economy. But hey, at least its interior is well designed. The Sonic LS sedan's 138 HP 1.8-liter inline-4 packs more horsepower and torque than any other car on this list, besting the Kia Rio and the Hyundai Accent by 8 horsepower and 6 pound-feet. Chevrolet's stylists backed up the Sonic's relatively muscular underhood action with an aggressive front-end look that stands out attractively amongst a generally drab cloister of competitors. Unlike its cousin the Kia Rio, Hyundai's Accent is available only as a 4-door sedan. It wears its Mini Elantra styling surprisingly well, and the interior has a similarly upscale vibe. When equipped with the 6-speed manual, the Accent puts up respectable numbers, cruising from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds. That ain't too bad for 16 grand, people. Objectively, the Mirage is a new car with a decent warranty and good fuel economy. Subjectively, the Mitsu gives drivers constant reminders of its budget mission, pulling only 78 horsepower from its 1.2-liter inline-3. The G4 sedan, an even cheaper Mirage hatchback, is available, crawls from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 12.8 seconds when equipped with its available CVT. The build quality is dubious, too.